Hi, fifth graders. Hope you've had a great weekend. I'm actually filming this on Friday, so I know the weekend's coming. So I hope you've had a great one. We've got one more week before spring break, so I thought I'd make you guys a new movie or a new video. And I'd go ahead and teach you some new sounds because I thought we might as well keep this going while we're at home. So your new sounds for this week are shun and shun. Okay, so those are our two new sounds, shun and shun. All right, so we've got tur, u, e, full, k, e and a, sm, kt, a and e, nch, eind, der, or, tol, a, zol, and a, full, squa, ch, sorry, I must have said that one wrong. That one's just ch, twa, dol, I, gol, it and I, and, oo, and you, oo, col, oo, ild, stir, o, pull, o, pt, skr, ost, ow, at and e, nt, ow and o, xt, e, a and mp, fur, a, old, r, j, oi, and o, sp, j, pull, e, ft, swa, sorry they're sticking, oi, ulf, dropping all my cards, spol, e, I, and I, bull, a, and goal. All right, you guys, I'll be back in a few.